we were looking for your perfect beach house for a while.
Yes, we have.
Like, how long was that?
I feel like we were looking for about 5 years.
Yeah, since COVID, right?
Since COVID hit, we started looking, then COVID hit, and we kind of took a break, and then we started, earnestly looking in around 3 years ago, maybe.
Yeah. And when we finally found this house,
Yes.
what was the selling point? Like, how did you know this was the one?
I mean, as soon as you open that door and walk around to the right and you see that picture window and you're like, it takes your breath away. And I was like, wow, sold.
Right.
This is it. I don't need to see anymore.
Right. In the whole process, I know it was very emotional for you guys, being the beach house, so the perfect one.
Yeah.
Talk to me about some of the emotions that you went through
We went through everything from excitement to happiness and joy to frustration to anxiety,
right.
to like in the end giving up, like we're done. I'm done. I don't want this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. And then when it finally everything went through and happened, it's pure joy again.
Right. Tears of joy, actually.
Yes.
We had tears of joy at the closing table.
We did.
I know you've dealt with other agents in the past.
Yes.
What did we do different? What do you think set us apart?
To be honest, communication and knowledge about the product, the market, the places that we're seeing, where we were going, the value of the homes compared to other homes around us, and the ease of operation, meaning like when we don't understand the technical terms in the real estate world, you were there to define it for us and, to put it in layman's terms so we can understand it and comprehend it and what's going on.
Yeah, there's a lot that you don't realize. It's like a whole different language.
Still don't understand a lot.
If you could do it all over again, what would be your takeaway as far as what you would want to happen again or what you would want to happen differently? Like, is there any pros and cons?
To be honest, through it all, I don't have cons. I think with you and Matt, we had an easy process, transition. Even the previous homeowner was amazing. And, we loved her. And
yeah,
so I wouldn't change anything. Even the anxiety part, I wouldn't change, because when the sale finally went through and everything came through,
right,
the sheer joy that we experienced was well worth everything that we'd been through.
Yeah,
Had raised all that had meant that before.
and we've also had a lot of fun here since.
Oh yes, we have. Yeah, quite a few deck parties.
Yeah, yeah, it's so worth it.
The girls have brought their friends out here. We've celebrated 4th of July here. We even had, the best memory is the first weekend we spent in the house. It was Easter Sunday, and we had no clue that they do Easter service on the beach, and to be awakened to a sermon and music and joy and love, that was just amazing to watch the sermon from my deck. Yeah.
That's a rave.
Absolutely.
What a cool experience.
That was.
So have you met any of your neighbors here? Have you got a sense of community?
Yes, we've met a few of our neighbors. To our right is a vacant lot, so obviously not there, but to our left, the 3 neighbors beside us, we've met them all. We've talked to them. We have plans to do some things together, get-togethers, and they're a wealth of information when we have questions about like the laws in this county or what we need to do, who do we contact for certain things. They're right there to help us.
Right. And the process do you feel like we had your back, that we gave you all the information that you needed?
Yes.
Was there ever a time when you were like,
no,
I don't know what's
1,000% you had our back, you had our best interest, you advised us on everything from A to Z. We went over contracts, we went over documents. Any document I couldn't find, you were able to find it for me. So to be honest, that is like a weight off of my shoulders and off of Fatty's shoulders, because it gets frustrating when you're trying to look for a document that a loan officer needs. But as a person that doesn't deal with real estate, I don't know where to find that document.
Right.
And then I would call you, I'm like, Jen, I don't know where to find this. You're like, oh, I got it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
And then, so that was invaluable, to be honest.
And who do you think can benefit from our services? Is there anyone that you...
Everyone. Hey, people on the beach, you want to buy a house? Team Freda. Everybody will benefit. Everybody, even if they just want to ask questions and inquire about things and they're not clear about certain things, You guys are, both of you are like a power duo with a wealth of knowledge between the both of you. So
Appreciate that. No, well, congratulations on your beach home. It's beautiful, and I'm so happy for you. And again, I'm just honored and thrilled that I got to be a little part in that journey for you.
thank you. We are honored too.